Hey, hi all. Very good evening. So let's start the session. So this is the entire quiz is divided into three parts. First one will be the basic, very much basic. Second one will be a bit medium, and the third part will be a bit advanced. See, all of them, I will be explaining you, as well as I will be, if possible, I will try to write the code and I will make you understand how the things goes on. Okay, so my name is Arjun Srikanth. So I'm holding around like 15 plus years experience into the world of IT. So you have any queries, guys? You can just stop me over there, and you can just unmute and you can call me. You can speak to me directly. Okay, or you can send a message or anything, which are the possible ways. It is possible, you can do it. Okay, chalo. Now I'm taking it forward. First, this is a basic one. Okay, I'm opening the first one. Which of the following commands is used to check the version of Python installed on your system? Okay, I'm repeating it again. Which of the following commands is used to check the version of the Python installed on your system? So one is Python underscore VB, Python C. Yeah, Gopal, that's correct. And Python underscore V or Python underscore version. See, there is a gentleman by the name Gopal has given the answer is C. Yeah, that's right. And in fact, you can use any of these. You can use any of these to get it. All the above are correct. Now, let me quickly show you. Here it is. This is my CMD, that is, and we can say it as command prompt. I'm using Python underscore version. What Gopal was saying. Yes, here I got the Python version. Got it? It is 3.13. I'm into the Python. Now, okay, I will go with the next one over here. I can use it. Python underscore V. Yes, even this will work. Now, the third one, let's close the first one. The third one is Python underscore VB. Even this will work. So all the three ways we can do it. All the three ways we can do it. I really appreciate Gopal for your response. Thank you. Now, next one. In Jupyter Notebook, which command is used to install a library directly within a cell? Usually what we'll do it is we will go to the command prompt and we can install it. Or you can directly go to the Jupyter Notebook. The people who don't know the Jupyter Notebook, that is a editor. Okay, it's a IDE. Which one will be used for this? Okay, now Mitresh says B, and Gopal says B, and Mona Lisa says C, Mitresh says B. Yeah, that's right. See, you can use the B or C. B or C, both will be officially, approved. Now, let me show to the people who never seen any of this Jupyter Notebook first. Okay. Now I will show you this. This is how the Jupyter Notebook look like. Now you can do it in both the ways. Pip install. Now let's take it that we want to install NumPy. NumPy is already there. Guys, please mute.
बीच में वाकई में कुछ है या फिर ये सब कुछ एक र्यूमर है? चलिए पता लगाते हैं। देखिए, श्रेयस अय्यर और धनाश्री के बीच में सुर्खियां तो तब से हैं जब से उन्होंने
Okay. Now, this is the one way, or you can go with this way also. Pip install number. Both the ways we can do it. So this one is also works, this one will work, but officially this is the one. Officially, where you have to use the exclamation pip install numpy. Okay, like this. Now it is already saying that requirement is satisfied, means it is already there with me. Okay, that's why it is not. Now let's go to the next one. Where what will be the output of the following code? Yes, guys? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now I will check it out over here. The Python B is the correct answer. Yeah, almost all of them gave the right answer over here. Okay, right answer. Okay, now guys, whenever you are giving, just put on the question number and give the answer. Because you know it is completely, I'm getting A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So I'm getting confused which one is what. But all of you gave the right answer for this. That is a P. Okay, now I think no need to do the coding because everyone knows it. Now, next one is, what is the correct way of to define a function in the Python? What is the correct way to define a function in Python? Here are the 4 different ways are given. Yeah, guys, can someone say me? Awesome, Gopal. That's right. And Mitresh, that's right. A is, Prakash, A is not the correct one. C is the correct one. Okay. Now, why it is the A is not the wrong, I will explain you. First one, you see it, there is parenthesis is missing. Define my function, parenthesis is missing. That's the reason why I said that A is not correct. The second one, you know, here we use that the function as a keyword. Actually, it should be DEF. Okay. And the third one over here is a perfect one. DEF, my function of print hello. And you know, this one is also wrong because we are not using the DEF. The first and foremost thing is you have to use the DEF keyword. Then you can use your function name followed by the parenthesis and you can give it the whatever the values you want to give it, you can give it. If you want me to show you this code, okay, just give me a second. I will open my PyCharm. Okay, it's not there. Just give me a second, guys. I will just open the PyCharm. Let's see that it will take few seconds. Let it open. Okay, this is the one. Now you see DEF function name, my function. You can give any name over here. You should follow with the parenthesis. This is called as parenthesis, the round brackets. And it start with a semicolon. And then you give it whatever you want to give it over here. Like I'm giving a message. Good evening, everyone. Okay. Now you can see this. When I run this, of course, it will not run. It will not give us any output until unless you call this. So how to call it? Remember this, my function of. And then when I do this, I will get the output. So this is called as function definition. This part is called as function calling. Okay, hope you got the point over here. What I was here, you see the C1. Okay, this is the right one for us. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. What does the following lambda expression returns? See, this is a lambda expression. Lambda expression, okay, you can try it out. Anyone want to try it out the answer? C, Mithilesh. C, Hemavati, and Prakash, C. Okay. Unfortunately, the answer is not C. Gopal has given the B. This is the one we are going to get it. The double value, no. Actually, I will tell you. Almost what you said is correct. The C, it's a slightly confusing. I will give it something like this. Understand this one, guys. Okay, I'm commenting this. Now we are done with this. I'm just commenting it. Now, yeah, perfect, Vivek. What you said is correct. That is an anonymous function. But the answer is B. Now, what is the question is, what does the following lambda expression returns? Now, I will show you over here, then you will get it. Lambda, okay, it is given as x colon x star 2. Now, see, this is giving us the address. This will give the address. Now you check it out. I'm printing it directly. I'm printing it. You can check it out. It will give us the address. See, function address. Okay, that is a function object, nothing but the function object. So now, how to call this lambda function is, now the most of the people said the answer C. That is also correct, because if I use it any variable A, this is a return variable, we call it as A of, I will pass it on some value 9. So this 9 will get into x square. I'm printing it over here. Okay. Now you see this. You will get the 18. Okay. Now the students who has given the answer C, that is correct. Double value of x. That is correct when you execute it. When you execute it, that is the answer correct. But actually the question was what it returns. It returns a function object. Clear? This is the function object. Okay. Now let's go to the next one, guys. That is, what is the output of the following code? For I in range of 3, I comma end is equals to space. Yeah, anyone try it out? A, Gopal A, yeah, all of them are A, Mithilesh D. No, it's not D. It is the answer is A. The Prakash, Hemavati, Subrat, and Mona Lisa. Almost all are correct. So this is the answer. Okay. So when the range function is used, range function will generate the values from 0 to, sorry. So it will generate the values from 0 to 2. Actually, and each and every value will be printed over here. 0, 1, and 2. Okay, this will be generating the values 0, 1, and 2. It will be like this, guys. Okay, the range I'm putting on over here. I'm just commenting this. Okay, now I will show you over here. I will use it as for I in range of, we gave it as 3. So this is nothing but start at 0, okay, end at 2, and step is equals to 1. That is what it is. Now I am printing I. So you will be getting it 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Now this is coming down one below the other. So we will use the end over here. End is equals to space. Then you will get it side by side. Can you see it? This is the answer. That is the A. Clear, guys? Now let's go with it. How can you access the last element of the list? If there is a my list is there, how you can access the last element of the list? 7A. Prakash, thank you for mentioning the question number. Hemvati, thank you. Subrat Das. And yeah, see, there are 2 ones are correct over here. The answer is, I will show you. The answer is first one as well as last one. These 2 are correct. Okay, these 2 are correct. How it is means I will tell you. This one is correct. A is correct. No doubt A is correct. And also the C is also correct over here. Now I will show you quickly. Let's take it over here. I'm commenting this. I'm taking a list. Let's take a list over here. I will take it as n list, number list. I'm putting down some numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, what is the length? Length is 5. Length is 5. What is the last index? 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, always last index. Now, length means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last index is 5 minus 1. So, that's why you can get it like print. I can give it as n list of minus 1, or you can get it print n list of length of n list minus 1. This is also the same. Both will be working in the same one, 50 and 50. Got it? So you should understand this. The length will be starting from 1 and index will be starting from 0. So always last index value is length minus 1. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Which of the following operators is not valid on the tuple? Which of them are not valid, guys? Gopal says D. Gopal, this is for the which of the following operator is not valid? 8B. Yes. B. Yes. Gopal says B. Mithilesh says B. Subrata says B. Yeah. The answer is B, guys. The answer is B because the tuple are immutable. Okay? Tuples are immutable. So we can't change the values inside the tuple. So this is wrong. Okay, remaining all is wrong. B is the correct answer. Let's go with the next one. What is the output of the following code? Yes. What's the output of the following code, guys? Nine is C. B. Thanks, Hemvati, for mentioning that one. B. 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 The answer is B. Why means because this is a duplicates are not allowed. Okay, this is not dictionary, Prakash. It is a set. In set, the duplicates are not allowed. Remember that duplicates are not allowed. So if there are two twos are there, right? It will keep only one two. So total there are three elements are there. The answer is B. Okay, let's see the next one. How do you access the value associated with a key in the dictionary? Yeah. Any more answers, guys? Okay. The answer is Vivek Sharma. A. Gopal says D. Okay. See, the answer is B, guys. Okay. You can get it from B and C. Both the ways you can get the values from the dictionary. Okay. You can use it not dot key. You should use it key within the square brackets. Now, let me show you over here quickly. I will just comment this. Okay, I'm taking a dictionary over here. D is my dictionary, and I'm going to put down the braces. This is called as braces. Okay, I'm taking the first key. I'll take it as A is the key, and I will give it as apple. Okay, next one, I will take it as B colon. I will give it as banana. Okay, now I want to access, see how I will access D of A. This is first way. Okay, I will print it. Okay, and there is next one. Print D dot get of B. Sorry, of B. like this. Both are the same ways. You will get almost the same output. Okay, here I've done a mistake. This is a function actually. I will use a function and I will give it B over here. Now you see this, you will get the same. Okay, so this is one way of getting it, and this is another way of getting it. Now, what is the advantage of get is you can give some default message, like I will give it as no key. So if I'm giving it some C is not there, then I will get a message is no key like this. Okay. Okay. Now let's move on to the next sheet. Okay. Now let's go to the second one. This is also having only 10. Okay. This is an intermediate one. What will be the output of the following code? 1, 2, 3 is there. It's a list. I'm passing the list values to the B and appending in the B. So what will be the output? Guys, if possible, please add on the question number, please. Thanks, Prakash. So the answer is B. Answer is B. Because we are copying all the values of A to B. Okay. So it is not, if values are not copied, it is the reference is copied. Reference of A is copied to the B. So the address of A is copied to the B. If you are doing some changes with the B, that will be reflecting in the A over here. Now I will quickly show this one. Now I'm taking a list. We are having over here, what's the values they gave it? 1, 2, 3, right? I'm adding 1, 2, and 3. Now B is equals to A. Now what I'll do it is B dot append. Let's add 4 over here. So if I print A and if I print B, both you will see that 4 is added. 4 is added in the both. So why means here, whenever we are doing this, this is called as reference copy. That is, you are copying the address of A into B. So the answer is B over here. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. What will be the following code snippet produce? Yeah, this looks pretty interesting. Yes, guys. B. Yeah, Himavati has given the B. And B. Yeah, the answer is B, guys. Answer is B. Now, what is happening over here is Okay. Now I'm just taking a code over here. I'm taking, this is called as, this one is called as list comprehension. We call this as list comprehension. So here, first we are giving for I in range of one, like we have given the only 5 over here. So that means it is 0 to 5, it is taking the values. And here what we are doing? We are doing the squaring of each and every value. I double star 2. Okay. Now I'm putting in a variable R, any variable you can take it. I will print R. Okay, like this. So what will happen is it will get the values from 0 to 4, and we are doing the square of that. Let's see this. I got it 0, 1, 2, 1, 4, 9, 6. Okay, 16, sorry. 1, 4, 9, 16. Clear? Yeah, that's right. Now, can you tell me which of the following can be used as a dictionary keys in Python? Guys, please mention the question, please, by the side. That would be helping me a lot to create. No. Q3D. No. D. No. See here, which of the following can be used as a keys of the dictionary? Dictionary keys laga em vaadachu. That's what the question is. So answer is tuple. That is B. Because tuples are immutable, so we can use the tuple as the dictionary keys. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Yeah. See here, DEF multiply is a function name. You can give it any name. A comma B is equals to 2. Return A into B, and you will, what will be the output? This is the code, guys. Four is A. Okay. Prakash says C. Says C. Hemavati says A. Mithilesh says A. See, answer is C, guys. Answer is C. Now, I will quickly explain you. See, here, what is happening is the 3 is getting into A. 4 is getting into B. See, suppose if I am not giving the 4, then B will be using 2. Okay, but we are giving 4. So obviously the 4 will be considered as a B value. These type of variables or arguments are called as default arguments. Okay. Let me quickly show you so that I will explain you. Just give me a minute. Now I will give it over here. You will take any. I will give it a multiply function. A comma B is equals to 2. And here we are returning, right? We are returning it. Yeah, returning directly. I will return A star B. Now, when I'm calling this mul, if I give it 3, only 3, and I will take the result and print result. So what will happen over here is 3 will get into A. Okay. Now B is not given. So here I have to use the code. Okay. B is not given. So what will happen is it will take the default value 2. Now it will give us as a 6. Suppose if I give it any value over here like 4. So this value will be given the preference. This value will be given the preference. So the B value will become 4. So now you run it, you will get the 12. Okay. Hope you are getting it. If I am not giving the second value, then it will consider 2 as the second value. Okay. If I am giving the second value, that value will be considered. Now, the answer is C, guys. Okay. Now, next one. What will be the what will be the following code output? Guys, please mention the question number. Yeah, 5. I got the Prakash. I got it. 5A. 5A. That's thank you. Yeah, that's right. The answer is A, which is nothing but 1254. Why we got this is, okay, let me explain you. Usually the indexing will be, this will be 0, 1, and this completely is 2. Okay, 2. So here, when you check it out, the first part, it is saying X of 2. Means it is referring to this list. Again, this is a list. This index is 0. This index is 1. So we are saying 0. That is, we are referring to this one. We are giving a value 5. So this value will be cut off and you will get the 5. Okay. So this is the way it will be working. Now let me clear it off. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one, guys. What will be the following code output? Okay. The B is the answer, guys. Okay, B is the answer because AND operator, this is AND operator, act like a intersection. So if you check it out in the both the sets, okay, it will check it out like what is the common values. So here we are having 1, 2, 3, here 3, 4, 5. The common value is 3. So intersection, it will act like the intersection. And operator will give us the common values. That is this one. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, that's right, Prakash. Now, next one. Yeah, this is pretty important. Priya, can you? what does the enumerate function returns? Okay, what does the enumerate function returns in Python? A list of tuples with index and the values pairs, or a generator that yields the next index and the value pair, a dictionary with the indices as keys and elements as the values, none of the above. Okay. A. Okay. Prakash says A, Mithilesh says B, and Gopal says B. Okay, let me give it, guys. So the answer, it depends. Like answer is A. Now I will show you. The B is also correct over here. I will show you why I am saying this one is. Let's take this one. I'm just commenting this. Now let's take this list. Okay. Now I'm printing elements for I in n list. Print I. What we are going to get it? Each and every value we are going to get it over here. You can see this. We will get it each and every value. 10, 20, 30. Now, if I apply enumerate function over here, okay, what it will do is like, it will return the value and this index. Now you see this? 10 is at 0 index, 20 is at 1 index, 30 is at, and 40 is something like this. Now, why I am saying that it is also correct, the second one is also correct, the B one is also correct over here. Why I'm saying is, see, if I give it enumerate over here, and I will give it as n list, and I will print it. This is, it will give us the enumerate object. See this enumerate object. This is nothing but a generator. This is nothing but a generator. So both the answers are correct, guys. So the person, the one who said that A is correct is also correct. The person who says the B is correct is also correct over here. Okay. Now, next one. What is the output of the following one? It's a dictionary with the keys A, B, C. Okay. We are applying the for loop d dot items, and I'm keeping a key and value. What will be the output? Yes, guys, what will be the output? Mithilesh, it's not an error. Definitely, it's not an error. Okay, so the answer is C, guys. Answer is C. Now I will just explain you in a quick session. I'm just commenting this. Okay. And now let me show you. I'm taking a dictionary. Okay, what is the dictionary? They are given it over here, A1, B2, and C3. So I'm taking the dictionary is D is equals to A colon 1, B colon 2, and C colon 3. So I'm printing my dictionary D over here. You will get a dictionary, proper dictionary. So if I use a for loop, I'm using a separator. Yes, I'm using a separator. If I use it for I in D and I'm printing it over here I. So what will happen is you will get all keys. You see, I will get all the keys. If I use it dot values, you will get only values. You will get only values. Now, if I use the items, so you will get it all key value pairs in the form of a tuple. Now, remember, whenever you are getting the output in this way, in the for loop, the key value pair together in the form of tuple. So all keys, you can get it in one variable. That is, I'm giving it as a K. Okay. All the keys and all the values, we can get it in another variable V. So if I give it K, okay, and I will print V. So, and I will give it as over here, end is equals to space or something like this. Then you can see this, the key value pairs will be given. Okay. So again, if I'm removing this one with the space I give it, then I will get it in this. Okay. Now again, if I'm giving it over here V, okay, and I will give the separator is equals to space, comma space. You can do, you will get it in this fashion. Okay. Now you will get a space over here, and if you want it side by side, you can keep it over here. Like you can keep it over here, end, comma, end, space. Then you should get it side by side over here like this. Okay, you can remove this one. If you want to remove, you can remove this. This will be giving us. Now you can see this. Clear? So this is the way you will be getting the answer. Now, next one, which of the following is true about the Python decorators? Yes, guys, decorators are used to modify the behavior of the function. First one, decorators can be applied to classes. Decorators are functions that return another function. Okay, all the above. You can use it all the above. First one is decorators are used to modify the functions. Decorators can be applied to the classes. Decorators are the functions that return another function. Nine A. C. Yes, guys. So A is correct, C is correct, and even the B is also correct. So decorator is used to modify the behavior of the function. Yes. It can be applied to the classes. Yes. And decorators return another function reference. This is also correct. All of them. All of them are correct, guys. Okay. Now next. Yeah. Can you guess it? What will be the output of this? I'm copying the code so that it is easy for us to explain. This is the code, guys. And just I'm commenting this and I'm checking it out. If there are no errors are there, that should be perfect. Yeah, what will be the output? Okay, you want to see the answers? I will show you. Yes. I got one response. B, A, B, A. Ramesh, A, Hemavati, B, Gopal, A, Vivek, B, Subrata Das is A. See, guys, the answer is A. Answer is A. Now, if you check it out over here, okay, I'm just minimizing this one. Okay, now when you check it out over here, see, we are calling the outer function over here and we are assigning a value. Now, this will not call until you, this will not be executed until you call it. So, first we are returning the function reference. This function, whatever is there, that reference is coming in the function. So, we are calling this one from here. And this is taking the locally available 10 plus 5. And that will be returned. And that is printed, that is 15 you will be getting. Clear? The answer is A. Now let's take the next one. It's a bit advanced. Okay. Now this is the advanced one, guys. Just check it out, the code. X is a list and Y is equals to X. So it's a reference copy. Again, you should understand. Y of 2 is equals to 10. So what will be the output? Yeah. Question 1 is B. Question 1 is B. Answer, you are giving it answer is equals to B. Okay. Question 1, answer is B. Let's wait for a few more seconds if anyone want to give the answers. Yeah. Prakash says B. Subrato B. Monica B. Gopal D. Amitlesh B. Answer is B, guys. Answer is B. See, as I told you, this is a reference copy. What do you mean by reference copy? Means this address, X address is passed on to Y. So both are pointing out to the same list. So I'm changing using the Y of 2, that is 3, I'm replacing it. So automatically that will be reflected in the other one as well. Okay. So this one is the answer. Now, next one, what will be the following code output? Yeah, this is also pretty easy. We have just done it. So I'm writing it over here. I'm writing it over here. A of 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Like this, right? Let me see this. Answer is what this says B, 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 and B. B is the right answer, guys. Now, let me quickly explain you here. This index is 0, 1, 2, and this completely comes under 3. So here we are looking at the 3, A3, that is this one. In this, because this is a list, we will give it as 0 and 1. So it is talking about 1, that is 5. This 5 is replaced to 6. That's it. Okay. So just I will clear it off. Now, this we have done it just now. That's why I didn't. Now, can someone say me what will be the output of this one? Awesome. Okay. Yeah, all of them gave the right answer. So yeah, that's right, Vivek. Yeah, the answer is C, guys. So the answer is C. All of you have given the right answer. So you can divide this code into 3 parts over here like this. Okay. This part, what it is doing, it is getting me the values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. This is getting me. Now it will, from here, it will go to the next part. 0 is 0 divided by 2 is equals. Now, here we are trying to find out whether it is an even number or not. Okay, 1 is not the even number, 2 is the even number, 3 is not the even number, 4 is the even number. So we are getting 0, 2, and 16. Sorry, 0, 4, and 16 over here because we are squaring it. Okay, so this is the way we are going to get it. I really appreciate it that all of you gave the right answer for this. Now, next one, fourth question. Yeah, can someone give me the answer for this? I'm copying the code, guys, again, instead of writing. Now, so answer is A, guys. Answer is A. Now, let me explain you how we are getting it A. Okay. Now, this is our coding environment. Try to understand this point. See, we are having a list over here. And this list I'm passing on to modify list function. So when I'm passing the list, actually it will not take the actual values. It will take the reference. Okay, that means this list and this list are referring to the same values. So same address. So when I'm adding it over here, then automatically you will get the 4 over here. Okay, we will get the 4. And then what we are doing, we are taking the another value to that first list, okay, list over here, and I'm returning that. So this is returned will be coming into the result. So first, whatever you are doing append, that will be affecting this one. It will be there 10, 24, and this one we will be having 1, 2, 3. So when we are printing both, so you will be getting it the answer as 10, 24 and 1, 2, 3. That is what will be the answer. Let me show you over here. This will be the answer. 10, 23, and 1, 2, 3. This is the answer we're getting. Now quickly go to the next one. Now this is a dictionary. And just now I explained you, when you do the items, you can get the two values, keys and values. So now can you please tell me what will be the output? It is pretty easy, guys. Mithilesh, which one is A? 5A. Subrato, yeah. Gopal says A. Mithilesh says A. Prakash A. Mithilesh 5A. Okay. Now, yeah, the first answer, that is, the A is the correct answer, guys. A is the correct. It's very simple. We are getting all the keys into the keys variable, and to that keys, we are adding a new value. Value, whatever is there, into 2. 1 into 2 is 2. Second one, B key, 2 into 2 is 4. That is, A is equals to 2, B is equals to 4. It's a very simple one. Okay. Now let's take the next one. What will be the output, guys? What will be the output of the following code? There is a set is there. To that set, we are adding a tuple and we will be getting it. Okay. Sixth one, Prakash says B. Hemavati says B. Mithilesh says C. Subrato says B. C, sorry. So Subrato says B. Mona Lisa says C. Gopal says C. Vivek says B. B is the answer, guys. Now you may ask me a question, why? See, first thing, whenever there is a set is there, inside the set, you can keep only tuple. You can't keep a list or you can't keep a set again inside that. No way. You can't keep it. It's only tuple can be kept. And here add, what the add will do is like, add will, whatever you give it, it will consider as a one single value and it will be dumping into the set. That is what it is happening. Again, the order will not be maintained. The order will be slightly different. Okay. But this is the answer. You will be getting 4 and 5 in the form of a tuple. Remember that. Okay. Now let's go with the next one. Yeah, this is pretty interesting. I will take this one. Cool. Yeah, guys. Can you tell me what will be the output? This is a lambda test. Two will be passed on. And so what to the environment is two. So from here we are calling this. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, guys. So the answer is B. That is 9. Okay, let me explain you this one. Just give me a second. Now I'm giving it over here. See, guys, first, don't get confused with the lambda, name lambda over here. This is a name, that's it. You can give it any name. Okay, so first we are calling that test lambda. 2 is getting into n. Now n value is 2. Then here, what we are doing, lambda x, this is the actual lambda function. X colon x double star n. So what is doing is when you return, this address will be coming into square. The address of lambda will be coming. Now you see this. I will just print square. So you will see the address over here. Can you see the address? Lambda function address. So this address, I got it into this. So if I want to, now whichever variable is having the address, you can call it. Now I am giving it over here. I will pass it on a value to the x. Okay, now whenever I want to call it, because it is expecting an argument that is x. So you can pass it on any value. We passed on the 3 over here. So 3 will be getting into x. Already, first we are passing on the n. N is 2. So it will become 3 to the power of 2. That is nothing but 9. You will be getting it 9. Clear? First, this is being called. And we are returning the value address of this one to the square. And in order to call this, I'm using square of and passing on 3. 3 will be sitting in the x double star 2. That's what it will happen. Okay. That is, thanks a lot, guys. All of you gave the right answer. What will happen when the following code is executed? This one, key 1, is nothing but 1, 2. Key 2 is nothing but 3, 4. Try to understand this. Okay, let me see this. A is the answer. Prakash. B is the answer. Okay, Gopal says B. This is the one. Prakash says A. This is the one. 1 to 5. and 246. Pal says A, Subrato says A, Mithilesh says A, Prakash says A. Okay. Okay, let's reveal the answer. Answer is not A nor B. Answer is error. I specially gave a hint over here. Into this, you can add a value that is 125. No problem. You have done this. Okay, this one is not possible because this is a triple. Triple are immutables. So you can't add a value into the triple. This is not possible. This will give you an error. Okay. Let me clear this one off. The C is the answer, guys. Now, which of the following statement is true? List is immutable while triple are mutable. Both list and triple are immutable. Triple are immutable while list is mutable. The both list and triple are mutable. Which one is correct? That was pretty fast. C is the answer. All of you are giving us C. Mithilesh, Hemavati, Subrato, and Subrata Das, Vivek, Prakash, all of them have given the right answer, that is C. Yeah. All of you are given the right answer, guys. That is C. Tuples are immutable while list is mutable. Now let's go with the last one. That is this. Okay. Yeah. There is a dictionary and we are taking all the keys of the dictionary and we are converting to a list. Now, what will be the output? Okay, guys, I'm revealing the answer. The answer is A, not the B. A, because you see this is a list. That is my dictionary.keys. I'm getting all the keys. I'm converting it to a list and storing in keys. This can be any variable, K or A or B, anything. But they gave it as a keys. Keys.append means list.append means 4. You are adding the 4 to the list. That is 1, 2, 3 is a list. To that, you are adding 4. And the dictionary will not get affected with this. No way. So keys is 1, 2, 3, 4, and your dictionary will be the same. So A is the answer. Clear, guys? So this was our last question. So I will end up over here, and if time permits, we will have one more session of similar type with a bit complicated questions. So thanks a lot, guys. Any
Can
queries?
you show eighth question?
Eighth question? Yeah.
Okay. This one you're saying error, right?
Yes.
But A key 2 plus equal to 6. That one will append, right?
I will show you what's the problem over here. Now, okay. Let me show you. Here, if I'm having a tuple, like I'm having a tuple over here, A. Like for example, let's take a tuple 10, 20, 30. This is my tuple. Okay. And to this tuple, I want to add a new value. Okay. Now, for example, if I take it another tuple, 2, I will take it as 2. I will take it like this. What's wrong with this? Okay. I'm taking 100, 200, 300. See, when I do this tuple plus tuple 2, what will happen is I will print it. It will be concatenated. Literally, it will be concatenated. Okay. Now, when I'm doing that tuple is equals to, okay, I'm adding a tuple inside this. I'm adding a value, a dot append or something like this. This will give me an error if I give it 4. So if I print it, I will print the tuple. Tuple, you see this? You will be getting an error for me. Can you see this? Why it is getting an error? Because tuple is immutable. You can't enter a value into the tuple. Okay?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much. Any more questions, guys? I'll stop it over here, guys. Thanks a lot for your cooperation. Let's meet some other time with more complicated questions. Let's meet it. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much.